Doves, here's an immigration lawyer sharing tips on what you should do should ICE turn up at your doorstep.
If ICE is at your front door, what should you do? Don't open the door. Wait and follow these very practical steps before you open the front door. Number one, ask them to confirm that they are really ICE. How do you do this? By telling them to show you a photo ID through the window. If there is no window, then have them slide it under your door and look at it and confirm that it is ICE. Once you've confirmed that, the second step is to ask them whether they have a warrant to enter your home. If they say no, well, you do not have to open that door. If they say, yes, we have a warrant, of course, then ask them to show it to you again, either through that window or by sliding it under your door. You're going to look specifically to see that it is a judicial warrant. It was signed by a judge. You'll know this because the word honorable or HON or judge or justice or magistrate is before the name of the individual who signed the warrant. Very important that you don't skip this step. If it was signed by a judge, you must at that point open the door. Once they enter into your home, you have the right to remain silent. If they are looking for someone else, you don't have to say anything. You don't have to provide any information. You don't need to run at that point. But if they are looking for you, they will detain you and take you down to their field office. Once at their field office, guys, you have the right to still continue to be silent and to ask for an attorney. Now let's go back to the home for a minute. If they're inside your home, you could certainly tell them, I do not consent to this. I don't consent to you being here. Is it going to stop anything? No, it will not, but it could help you down the road in case you sue them for violating your rights. Now, what about this here? Can they actually break your door? Can they break in? You should know that in very limited circumstances, they can in fact enter your home even if they do not have that warrant signed by a judge. And it happens if they believe that there's a threat to public safety or if there's a threat to someone's life. They can in fact come right in. Guys, I'm covering ways to protect yourself from deportation. Follow for more.